To start off, I was just blown away and I had to make this video. I was a big skeptic of the whole model context protocol thing from Anthropic. I just read what it was meant to do, like it literally explains as a wrapper for APIs. So I thought, that's stupid, I'm not gonna do that, just give me a new model please. But I was so wrong. And if we haven't met, my name is Victor and I'm a student of computer science and I'm a big fan of AI. And today I want to show you what I discovered and actually convince all of you unbelievers that model context protocol I think is actually one of the greatest breakthroughs that is going to bring us to AGI. Everyone is still so confused about what this API for API means, but I think it's really important to understand what it means. So whenever you go to ChatGPT or Gemini or Claude, sometimes they will show up like this little pop-up and there is a spinner going on and it explains what it's doing. For example, searching the web. And what it is a tool call. Now, all of these things are natively provided by all the biggest companies, but if you wanted the LLM to interact with some very niche thing, you just couldn't do it because the big company didn't give you the opportunity to use that niche thing and the model can't connect to that. I never thought I was going to need anything besides the native tool calls, but when I wanted to automate one small thing related to my YouTube videos creation that I'm going to show you in a moment, well, I was honestly blown away. So yeah, the issue that MCP solves is that you can connect to literally anything, and just imagine how many things you can build with this. I'm just procrastinating right now so much, and instead of doing tasks, I'm trying to research how I can automate them. So maybe let me just show you what I built and you'll understand what I mean. I'm not going to go deep into what I coded. If you want to have a better understanding of what this is and how it works, just let me know in the comments. But what I want to show you is how it actually works and to just give you some ideas on what you can build yourself. So as you can see, I was playing with the whole integrations thing and I've got two MCPs here, but the one I want to show you is the YouTube outlier one. So I know I'm a YouTuber and I'm automating YouTube stuff, so it might not be really interesting to you, but I believe that if you watch this and see what I can do with this MCP, you'll realize what I mean and you'll realize that you can automate actually tons of stuff in your life too. So what does this outlier thing mean? Well, whenever I look for ideas and I go to YouTube and search, I want to find those videos for inspiration from other people that actually perform well. And usually these are called outliers. So I wanted to automate that to make the AI search for these for me. Normally you would go to YouTube and search for a topic and then you would use tools like 1 of 10 or the vidIQ stuff. There's tons of that. And you would search and browse through channels and look for those videos, screenshot them, paste them somewhere to gather that inspiration, and then after an hour of work you would maybe decide which one to pick. But this thing can automate this. So if I type something like give me an outlier report about a topic, maybe why MCP is a game changer. And let's let it run and you'll see what happens. As you can see, the model is calling the find outlier videos tool and it will create a report. So what I actually done here is I connected to the YouTube data API and the model will search through this topic and find those videos that are outliers. And if I now go to Google Chrome and refresh this, you will see that there is a new report here which contains the outlier. Okay, this thing was supposed to print more videos, the previous reports did, so maybe let's try it again and let it run one more time, find more outlier videos about this topic. Okay, I think this time we got it to work. As you can see, now it worked, I fixed it, and I hope that you can imagine how many things this can solve. This literally will help me to save multiple hours each day whenever I'm trying to create new videos and I'm looking for ideas. And I think you can imagine how much stuff you can also automate with this, because you would have never imagined that you can connect YouTube and Google Docs and the Google Drive thing and create something like this with the native tools that the AI providers would give you. They would have never had time for that. But if you can code this yourself, then you've got some real useful tools. And I can already see tons of possibilities. For example, I can run researches on these topics, then I can create scripts, and I can then try to repurpose them and put them on Twitter. There's just so much possibilities. And if you want to learn more about MCP, let me know in the comments. This video was just meant to give you a spark of ideas to create your own automations like this one. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. And if you want to find, for example, 3 cool AI project ideas, watch this video next, and I'll see you there.